Ever feel like your money just vanishes? You get paid, you budget, maybe, and then poof, it's gone. You're left wondering where it all went, and maybe a little panicked. I've been there. We've all been there. That's why budgeting apps have become so popular. They promise to bring order to the chaos of our finances. But do they actually work? And more specifically, is PocketGuard, one of the many budgeting apps out there, actually a good app? That's what we're diving into today. PocketGuard is a budgeting app that aims to simplify personal finance. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to give you a centralized view of your financial situation. It promises to help you track your spending, manage your debt, and ultimately reach your financial goals. Sounds great, right? But the reality of using any budgeting app can be a little more complex. One of the first things you'll notice about PocketGuard is its clean and user-friendly interface. It's designed to be visually appealing and easy to navigate, which is a big plus, especially if you're new to budgeting apps. The app uses a concept called In My Pocket, which shows you how much money you have available to spend after accounting for bills, savings goals, and other expenses. This is a really helpful feature for visualizing your spending power at a glance. PocketGuard also offers features like bill tracking, debt payoff planning, and goal setting. You can set up custom categories for your spending, track your progress towards your financial goals, and even negotiate better rates on your bills. These are all valuable tools for managing your money effectively. However, like any app, PocketGuard has its limitations. One common complaint is that the free version of the app has some restrictions. For example, you might be limited in the number of accounts you can connect or the number of goals you can set. To unlock all the features, you'll need to subscribe to PocketGuard Plus, which comes with a monthly or annual fee. This is something to consider when deciding if the app is right for you. Another potential drawback is that PocketGuard relies heavily on automated categorization of your transactions. While this can be convenient, it's not always accurate. You might find yourself having to manually recategorize transactions, which can be a bit tedious. This is a common issue with many budgeting apps, but it's something to be aware of. So, is PocketGuard a good app? The answer, as with most things in personal finance, is, it depends. It depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a user-friendly budgeting app with a clean interface and helpful features like In My Pocket, then PocketGuard might be a good fit for you. The free version offers a decent amount of functionality, and if you find it useful, you can always upgrade to PocketGuard Plus for more advanced features. However, if you're on a tight budget and don't want to pay for a subscription, or if you prefer more granular control over your transaction categorization, then you might want to explore other options. There are plenty of other budgeting apps out there, some of which are completely free. It's worth doing your research and trying out a few different apps to see which one works best for you. Ultimately, the best budgeting app is the one that you'll actually use consistently. No matter how great an app is, it won't do you any good if you don't stick with it. So, if you're serious about getting your finances under control, find an app that you like and that fits your needs, and commit to using it regularly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.